Yeah. I do enjoy that show. Stable conditions going into this weekend as high pressure moves into the central interior of the state. Well, it's stable conditions again for the next 7 days, but we're going to have some winds this afternoon, especially in our mountain and desert communities. Could see some wind gusts in that 13-mile-per-hour range in Mojave, 15 miles per hour, 15 to 20 miles per hour in our desert communities and mountain communities. The reason I say that is because we've been so dry along with those winds. Again, fire conditions in Isabella and Tehachapi this afternoon, so that's something that we are just going to be tracking. Our air quality staying in that moderate range now, AQI of 75. And remember, there are no restrictions right now when it comes to burning, but burning is discouraged, and that again because of the conditions that we are experiencing. Over the next 10 days, we'll top out at 80 today, then those upper 70s through the weekend, 78 for your Monday, and then 77 on Tuesday, just in time for those midterms. Good conditions to get out there. Those upper 70s going to be continuing to next Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday of the following weekend, well, we're trending down into those lower 70s, and then Sunday looks to be a high of 71 right now, so getting close to those 60s. Lows going to be staying in the 50s for Bakersfield. For Kern River Valley, a high of 80 today through Sunday, then 76 on Monday. Those mid 70s continuing through next week. Tehachapi